Got a couple project bikes to sell. This is Williams Vintage Cycle in Xenia, Ohio. The first one here is a 19, well, it's a Honda 450 Nighthawk. I think it's a 1986. Yep, 1986 model. Needs plenty of work. It's kind of why we're selling it as a project bike, because we just don't have the shop time to do it. And quite honestly, even once you put a bunch of time and money into these, they're great bikes to ride, but they're still just not worth a lot. So pass it along and see if somebody else is interested in it. Showing 9,123 miles. Probably the biggest problem is we do not have a title for this bike, so this will be on a bill of sale only, no title. So make a great parts bike if you need some parts for one, or if you live in one of the states that doesn't require titles on old motorcycles, might be a good one for you. If you were going to put it back on the road, let's just a quick little run around here. Obviously you're going to need tires. The tires are older on it. There's no battery in it. Looks like somebody hacked off the negative terminal. Airbox isn't hooked up, but I imagine you'll have to clean the carburetors anyway, so you'll be pulling those off. Side covers, the plastic side covers that go right here, missing on both sides. Tank badges are missing. Seat's in really good shape. That's probably the nicest part of the whole bike is the seat. A little soap and water and some leather cleaner. That seat's probably worth a couple $100, $250 maybe on eBay. So if you buy it as a parts bike, you probably get your money back right away just out of that seat. So got the keys for it. That does work in the ignition, turns the ignition. I tried to open the gas cap and couldn't get it to spin in the gas cap, and I didn't want to twist. Most likely there's just some rust down in there, and put a little WD or some Croil or something in there, and that'll probably free that lock up to get that cap off. So don't know what the inside of the gas tank looks like because the cap is stuck. Again, the side cover's missing over here. Something's unplugged here without getting the book out. I don't know what that is. Could be a fuel level, could be it looks like it goes down into here, so it could be a neutral switch, or I don't know. It's a blue and white wire, so you can look that up. Let's see if I see anything else to point out to you. Oh, like I said, you'll be taking those carbs off anyway, but fuel line's not hooked up. Looks like somebody started to mess with it. Looks like a brand new fuel filter on there. Don't know about the petcock because never had gas to it. The engine does turn over. Put it in gear and made sure the engine turned over fine. Not sure why that's missing. There's a bolt missing there. Looks like this bike was originally sold by Heidi Honda South here in Dayton. So it's a local bike, if that matters. Again, the badge is missing off there. Tank's not bolted down. You can see there. Clutch feels good. I think the front brake was working. Yep, front brake is working. So there's a plus. It's got all of its turn signals. This is the they made some of these in the auto. Well, I don't know if they made the Nighthawk in the automatic, but they made a bunch of the 450 CM type motors in the automatic. This is the regular 5-speed. So if you got an old CM or CB 450, I believe this motor will bolt right up to you too if you're looking for a motor. So it'd be a good donor bike for that. Lots of good parts on here. Like I said though, no title, bill of sale only. Got your chrome Honda trim there. I don't know if that's loose. I don't know if that's broke or just loose. That's about all I can think to tell you about it.